For this problem, we want to approximate the square root of 80.9 using local linear approximation. Now we recall the local linear approximation for a function centered at x sub 0 is given by f of x sub 0 plus delta x minus f of x sub 0, that's approximately f prime of x sub 0 times x minus x sub 0, wherein delta x is equal to x minus x sub 0 and x is x sub 0 plus delta x. So to be able to use this formula, we have to define a function that will be used in approximating the square root of 80.9. Now if, let's say, x is 80.9, then our f of x would be the square